Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I bring our sister, our brother Aisha and ODOGWU come again. Yesterday, I talked about Aisha and ODOGWU. If you never watched that video, if YouTube permit me, you feel find out for here or here. I feel attached and then you'll watch the video. That yesterday video, I vex. As I take vex, that's why I take bring that video out. Okay. Today, I watched yesterday, don't already late. Now I'm mommy of two. When our brother ODOGWU, I watched the video when he upload for YouTube. Now the video I want make we analyze. Some people they say now lie. Some people they say they want catch out. For me, I not look like say Aisha and ODOGWU say that they like this particular one. What they do now? Aisha and ODOGWU no be lie at all. That they read, they pass through. Okay, let's drop with a bully them or how I want to put this word, like we dey mock them. May we pray, may devil not enter house. You understand? May we just pray. Why I read blast Aisha yesterday, you can see ODOGWU they try make the marriage work. Not be say ODOGWU is pure 100% from the beginning. ODOGWU not pure, but when you can't look the whole issue now, you will see and say ODOGWU they try to make everything work. But Aisha don't get it's like somebody don't test sugar when you know they see for inside her. Don't test her for accident. That's why they look Aisha. When I not come for me, I receive one comment. As out of many comments, only you want drop comment say why they blast Aisha. You can see. Let's open our eyes. You can see. Yeah, they breed their marriage for social media. If they not breed their marriage for social media, you know how many marriage they pass through did the same thing when you know the social media. But ODOGWU and Aisha, they do their marriage for social media. They know they filter a lot of things. Why ODOGWU follow a friend fight? For my own opinion, as a guy, as Africa person, that's what you're supposed to do. Where Aisha send a video, for me, I don't post that video. Yes. If you will post the first video of Aisha, when you come to say the matter don't they drag, you go stop. Aisha they post, they send you video, you they post. ODOGWU they send you video, they post. Initially, if you be person when you know they enjoy the saga, you this manager. If you be person when you know they enjoy their saga, immediately you will stop. You know, because ODOGWU not carry something put for your head, say, without you not post the video when it post for you, say na problem. Me, I blame you because I know say the ODOGWU, they don't feel, that is, they don't feel they upload video for Nigeria. That's why a lot of people, they look like say, na prank. Now they prank them. Because anything, now they upload, then they send for you, now you upload. At least as African man, you go filter some, though na their page, but you go filter some. How a husband and wife, Africa, when you for come. If couples, they quarrel, another person, another family, they come that house to separate them. Then you and another person for between Aisha and ODOGWU, what till you do? You dey cash cruise, so that you will record video. No be that one want talk because yesterday I talked about that video. Then ODOGWU go meet this guy, say, give me my page. Why they had you? Now the owner, yes, when I make a contract, now next month the contract they expire. You go give ODOGWU a page if you don't really get agenda. Yet, if not, may we be careful if we dey between husband and wife, because since I don't want to do this video, I look and say that husband and wife, once they settle. You when you join ODOGWU, once they said they will use you to settle. You when you join Aisha, once they settle, they will use you to settle. That is why since their video they had me to do, I go do and finish, I go drop and go do and finish. I will see where Aisha for day. Okay, let me do. I will say I beg. I will see where ODOGWU for that. I will say I beg. Make the just day. But you don't see that yet two video when Aisha do. You don't come house. Your husband don't go your family. They don't settle now. You don't come house. Why you not feel wait for your husband when you go track that guy? That guy no be your husband. Now ODOGWU be your husband. Now ODOGWU make that guy know you. A lot of women they outside. If that guy when they tell you say men for outside say you fine. Now lie they like to you. A lot of women they outside when they don't get the husband. Not be say men not they husband. Either they say wife. Many women they outside, but they look for wife. Some men they look for wife. Not they don't they see woman. They see woman, but where is the wife? Where is the husband? Now the husband they talk for inside. This guy when you say wife, they husband, they everywhere. Why this guy never they give other women? Because UK when they say men scarce, husband scarce. Not be say they not they see men food there, but husband then they talk. The difference between husband and men and boys. Big difference there. The difference between wife and girl and lady. Difference there. People will tell you say they not they see woman. They not they see. Not be say they not they see woman. They not they see wife. This guy when they manage on our page, if he read me well for you, as he reach Nigeria, before he reach Nigeria, because now not be business, now not be family, he go call your husband, they come Nigeria. If not be say he don't get a cockroach for under a cupboard. I'm sorry, my brother, I don't know you for anywhere, but the way you handle this couple, it make me vex. I don't know them for anywhere. As a third partner, you're supposed to stand in the middle. You say you dey call Aisha. As you take call Aisha, now Aisha is supposed to call. May we tell ourselves the truth. No be Aisha supposed to call. You call ODOGWU. You surprise when ODOGWU bust you. You see, at the end, the person when ODOGWU, this world is something else now. Come help me drag my page. You reach there, you carry and go corner. ODOGWU, this one now, less it to you. Maybe go find out say they be caught. They be the same court. Now understand now. Now I make the guy, because now when he carry this your page guy, your manager, go to one corner. Now that guy can't get voice. Now because they say, yes, I know 12 now. Where you for know 12 now? Where you for know her? To tell you, say, this guy, as they go corner, he ask him, not say court now. Maybe brother they court or he they court. Two of them did the same court. You not see where the guy come say, you not see na conquer fight, now they fight on self. You that boy, you that now boy, I'll call you because you not be guy. You be boy, you that boy, you form my hand. Men like you say, come, let go take our thing from this person. Come help me take our thing. You reach there, they say, now my brother, I know her. What till now they do? You know, man. No be that one I want talk. The video when ODOGWU drop, now be one maybe we talk about this video done the 2 day long, now almost 8 minutes. My people. Now the video I want maybe we analyze. But una pardon the noise on now they hear for the background. Now I be mommy of 2. Yes, so I be mommy of 2.
Then why is everybody talking about marriage? Marriage is a serious deal. Marriage is a big deal. If you are not careful, marriage will end you. If you marry wrongly, I can't remember. I don't even know that I've ever smoked before. I had to go and smoke. See my eyes. I have to smoke. I'm not a smoker. I don't smoke.
All my mommy, my daddy, my brothers, my sister out there when they say, that they fake her. This kind of thing, now that they fake. Me not try watch this video. Me not watch this guy. It dead down. A wife did see dead down too. So like, as a wife wanted the over, like a wife when they see herself like without me, you know if you do your social media. This guy na person when like social media. Now person when like to the art, when like to they do things on social media. Not be all men like my guy not like social media. Not be all men like they like camera, but he like camera. He they make money out of camera. You understand? Then Aisha now, he can't they look like now say without her husband no fit do social media. Wait I for tell her husband if I remove Aisha, then go they employ somebody. Yes, now waiting me just see. Then me carry in marriage come on for social media. Aisha not be woman where they will put for social media when it go fit overcome a lot of things. I know this couple when they Austria, Europe, yes, close to Germany. That they do well. Husband, that they do prank. That they do a lot. Jenny, yes, Jenny. Now still our East people. That they do a lot. Social media, you see the match when they use and build. Aisha, learn for the good side. Don't learn for the bad side. Learn. Nobody will tell you, say, in home. In fact, in home, something they without, how we cannot bring our comments on. And they tell people, say, my home is the perfect. See the way you lash your husband yesterday. Because of this thing, he pay your husband, he go pay everybody. He go pay if not you. You go meet your friend. They talk to your friend. Before you call your husband don't on camera, they blast you. You know take her. Then we tell ourselves the truth. You know take her. You know the reason why. Not be say because of that guy, they tell her the truth. Which truth? Carry phone, they blast your husband. Carry phone, they insult your husband. Now that might be truth. See your husband say he don't give you 24 hours. 24 hours. May you break down that video. Or may you do video of apology. Let's hear from him.
This guy is messing up fine. But the sensible ones will not forget how good I am. But that is what the world do. Once you do one bad, they forget the 99 good. That is why I'm telling you. If you like, don't learn from us. Be there, following the bad wagon. They are insulting Yam Baba. Let me join and insult him. You don't have the mind of your own. Tomorrow it could be you. Me, I will come out of this sound better. But you, look at how
That's not true. We use other people to learn. Other people now we take the learn. What did they happen to ODOGWU and Aisha? Now for us to use our learn. Not everything they carry come out for social media. Yes, I believe our brother don't realize. He don't realize the mistake. So when you see say her wife pack things come up for him house, social media not be the first place to run to. Una get family. You get family. Social media not be first place where you just carry camera. Now, in fact, now less it to many of us. Social media not be the first place to run to. You understand? May we stop to the throw stone, give them. As our Lord Jesus Christ talk, say, if you know, say you clean, pick a stone and stone the prostitute. Everybody drop their stone. Let's stop to the throw stone. Now, how they would say come together or how they would say make peace. Maybe they talk. Aisha, ODOGWU, both of them get fought. But for now, ODOGWU try to bring the wife come back. Then we they have. If now they see the woman body language when he and ODOGWU they do. She even see open mouth tell her say, if they fax me, I say I don't want to do video. Without you not even talk at me. If I as I watch you now, I know say you not there your body. Now you can't make shakara for your husband. No home when they for not they quarrel. Those places when they tell you say, hey, they go treat you well. Now lie. My sister, carry your eye, calm down. Remove your eye for outside. Don't be say if your husband they molest you or they abuse you. And not say me you do. But wait till now they show for social media now. For now, for this particular issue now, Aisha, it your hand. 100% it your hand. Watch this your husband video. It not be my brother, it not be anybody to me. I feel for him. Okay? This his last video, I feel for him. He get one time when he say, I don't repent, I want to be Christian. I don't go close to my God. You understand? For me, I believe say ODOGWU don't realize. But you not want to learn. Now your ego come over. You understand? Like say, without me, forget oh. If woman to make shakara pass man, man to make shakara pass woman, forget. Just carry your ego, calm down. Because I dey follow una right from time. I no be person when they comment. When you dey labor, when you say your husband say deliver, if I transfer 1 million, that one na still prank. Before we see you born, your husband dey rejoice. Why you go just allow devil to just scatter your home, Aisha? All those people when they get access to you to the call you, all those men, forget them. No be like you know they Europe, you know they abroad oh. You know they abroad. Now Africa, you dey be careful. Those people when they throw mouth, don't mind them. Draw your husband, enter house. Make you and your husband settle. As your husband tell you say, he give you 48 hours. Inside house, there is where you will still talk to him and say, everything can be on social media. If not to bring the video down, I know who take the video, I know who play that particular part. Now let this your husband. If for you to bring those your 2 video when you make, bring it down. For me, I don't see any reason why you do those 2 video. Your husband, I thought you want camera. Now your husband. Yes, now your husband. Your husband go see a friend. You want camera, they blast your husband. If me call they insult your husband tomorrow for camera, which you go talk? You don't get anything now. This camera did here.
You want a perfect couple, go and follow them. You want a couple that always preaches to you that marriage is this. Marriage is real. Marriage have thorns. Marriage have flowers. If you love us when we are sweet, you should love us when we are like this. That this is what marriage is about. Marriage is not all rosy and all sweet. That is the lesson that my children will take from it. And I will tell them, my children, daddy and mommy did not handle this thing properly. Please handle it better. A failure does better in life than a man that has never failed before.
That is true.
Yes. It is a man that never had shoes understand the worth of wearing shoe. A man that has been wearing shoe all his life will never know the worth of shoes. If not for anything, I love my wife for being real. Yes. It's just that sometimes she goes overboard, just like today. And yesterday she went overboard. But I've made my point. 24 good hours. 24 good hours. A whole day. Let me not say an apology. That thing that people think I'm afraid to do. You know, people think I'm afraid to do without her. People think I'm afraid not to bring her back. That I will fail, that I will not succeed. I will show them. Now,
My brother ODOGWU, everything not be social media. Your wife can apologize to you private, can apologize to you private. Okay? Not be everything. It not just me say it must come out on social media. She feel apologize to you inside house. Then those 2 videos, you tell her make she bring her down. Then carry your wife enter house. Many people around you now, many people, they want your marriage may not work. Just be very careful, my brother ODOGWU, okay? 24 hours when you give your wife. Aisha, please, those 2 videos when you make, when you say insult your husband, please drop the video. Me, I dey apologize to you. In fact, I dey beg. Those your ego, carry am down. Nothing dey outside. No man can treat your child when you don't get with another man the way you go treat him. Oh, they few. They're not much. Please, respect your home. Respect your husband. Apologize to your husband for inside house. Talk to him. Talk to your husband. That guy when they manage on a page. For me, you know me, we not do well at all. How you go, they carry video from you, carry video for your husband, they upload them. Yes, they get contract, not be contract of quarrel. Now comedy, now they do now contract of comedy. If now me, immediately I go stop and I will say no. Not be contract of same now they quarrel. Me I'm not sign. Man, I do comment when I send for me. I will never upload those videos if now me. Those there are 2 videos, whether ODOGWU, whether Aisha, those videos that take quarrel, I for not upload them if now me. If na that time, that one ODOGWU take collect the page. Problem not there. But when husband and wife they quarrel, this one they use verse, they send you video, you upload them. So they use verse, they send you video, you upload them. At the end, you come outside with your full chest. See you that day now. See you, see as you made. You know, you see me like this, you're too bad, too bottle now. People will not talk, they are ego, I deck. Hey, when I not just make mouth, so now they abroad, or when they one corner, now just they make mouth. See as ODOGWU they bash enter your hotel. You not shock, you not shock you. You not shortalize you. Not be all right, they talk because it's a man. You be man, you will still marry tomorrow if you never marry. You and your wife can't no home the quarrel argument not the day. You and your wife can't argue, maybe anger, you can't get paid, you can't they post and go give your friend. Your friend office say no, I don't post this video. Now they see good friend. I don't post this video, not because of quarrel. I mean, I signed contract. We signed contract because of say now they do comedy. This one not be comedy. Send me comedy. You go say now my you go say no. At the end, that's ODOGWU I clear now. You go if I appreciate you for ODOGWU na person when get sense when they reason way. ODOGWU for appreciate you now because now anger ODOGWU they send you all those videos. Anger. ODOGWU not quit. In fact, he says he leave ODOGWU. How you just carry video? My wife, you see they call her your wife. I see until you still love her. Aisha collect sense, so collect sense. Carry your husband into house. I beg, I want to see good video. Not they do body like this. That outside, he go shortalize you when you go there. He go shock, he go say, now my husband good pass, so now my husband good pass. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Be very careful. Okay? No go be all those women when they go come regret. Hey, now my first husband ain't good pass. Be very careful. What goes around, come around. That be how Nate speak in that English. Aisha, I dey beg you, carry your husband, enter house, apologize to him. For this one, in fact, now you wrong. How you carry your husband come outside the trash and because of that 2 battery? Now, wait till I talk. I beg. This my brother. I don't know you for anywhere, okay? You fuck up. That's why I trash you like this, okay? Give ODOGWU a page. You know hard. You know hard. How you go say you get what you they do? I just watch that my video. Yes, I just dey laugh. What do you want to do? Once you give ODOGWU his page, then the next person ODOGWU will transfer the page to. Now the person will remove your account. If you give the ODOGWU your account, then you know quick the person when ODOGWU now you actually send this message to now. If you collect your account, you quick change password. Then not quick that person change bank account. Yes, bank information, mostly bank information inside that page. Now this guy will receive next money. Quick do one if the guy don't hand over your page to you. Mostly that bank something. Quick remove am. If na in bank dey, quick remove am. Na inside phone no hard. Where you dey go? Which thing you want to do? You want to go tax office before you go remove your bank for inside person China, inside person page. I beg, make my video not too long, okay? I'll see you in my next video. If you like this woman, this girl, this Naija daughter, what are you waiting for? Give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, okay? We bring all kind of gist. No be only ODOGWU. I beg more than the watch order of my video. No be only ODOGWU, no be only. I dey bring different things. They come on my channel. Okay, please support me by watching my video, share, give me comments, like the video, give me like. Okay, I need that.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I dey win by default and without any doubt.